Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to turn your old bra or brassiere into a fitting bra. So this is a strap available in the market. I bought this from a nearby shop. It just rupees 15. I just bought for 15 rupees, and if you are buying the same fitting bra, it's just going to cost more than 450, 500. 500 is the starting range, and I just want to make that simple and easy because most of them can't afford 500 to buy a brassiere. But just by changing the strap, you can just make your normal bra into a fitting bra. So let's get into the video. I'll show you how to do this. So most of our brassiere have a ring type a structure like this, so it's really hard to insert this into that ring. So we are going to make a small adjustment over here. So first you're going to pull the strap up a little bit like such, and take your needle and you're going to hand sew a little bit. So you're going to remove the stitch once it's done, so you can just put a running stitch. So this is where you're going to just make the strap firm, and so I'm just putting some running stitch over here to make the strap firm with the ring, because I'm going to cut and I'm be stitching on the elastic. Okay, so I want everything in a position, so I'm just putting some 2 to 3 stitches over here just by securing the strap with the ring. So once it's done, I'm going to cut this off. Okay, and you can see now I have made a small cut for 1 inch. Okay, and you can't just take this strap and you can't sew that on a machine because this strap is really thick. Most probably you can't sew one strap in a sewing machine. Now it's been two, that is the elastic, so it's really hard to sew the elastic on a sewing machine. So I want this to give a neat finish, so I'm just sewing this like such, and then I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and I'm going to put some back stitch to this a multiple time to secure this in place. So when you do this, both the straps would be in the same position, lined correctly, so that gives you a very neat look. So I'm just using some contrasting color thread and contrasting color strap for this, so that you can see where I am stitching and what's happening in this. Okay. Now we can see I have added some back stitch with the orange color thread, and now I'm removing the down stitch what I did, that is some kind of running stitch, and bring this stitch line to the ring side, and now you can see it just took the exact shape of the ring and it's secured. So now you're going to unssew this really tight, so this is going to be securing the ring and the strap together. You can't sew this in a sewing machine because it's really close to the metal ring, so I'm just hand sewing this. Again, you're going to sew according to the color of your brassiere. Now I'm using a white color thread so that you can see where I'm stretching this. Okay, for sure it would be really helpful for someone who really can't afford to buy a brassiere for 500 to 600 rupees. By adding a strap of 15 to 20 rupees, you can make this. So these straps are available in Amazon and eBay and nearby shops also. You can just give a try. So if you're wearing a shoulderless top, you can just buy a transparent strap like this, and you can do the same thing to your brassiere, and you can attach that strap, transparent strap to this bra. Okay, I'm just sewing this multiple time because I just want this to be secured in place. And now I'm taking my strap, and you can see the strap has a really nice hook like this. All you're going to do is you're going to just hook into this, and believe me, it's not going to come out. It's going to be secured, and also it just have a beautiful adjustment, and if you want you can adjust this strap also. And also what I did here is I measured all the strap, most probably a 3 to 4 strap available in the market, and everything, the length was same on everything. Okay, so you don't want to worry about the length of the strap. So same thing I'm doing to my back side also. So I'm just leaving a 1 inch in length, and I'm just tucking this strap underneath the fabric so I don't feel any irritation while wearing this. Again, I'm going to answer this, and once it's done, I'll be taking this to my sewing machine and I'll be putting some back stitch to this. Okay, so make sure you add some multiple stitch to this. If you're not taking this to a sewing machine, if you're not doing this with a sewing machine, and if you're hand stitching this, make sure you add some multiple stitch to this. So once it's done, I'll be taking this to my sewing machine to sew this out. Okay, so now you can see the orange color thread is my machine stitch, and I added some multiple stitch over here there, and now it's been secured inside of the fabric. And let me take the next side of the hooks and just put the hooks inside this hole, and make sure you use your cutting plier, and you're going to close the one side, that's the back side of the strap, and the front side of the strap is going to remain open. Even the back side is firm enough, and you can see it's not coming out that much easily. And to the front side, you can see it has a very beautiful adjustment. And if you want to feed the baby, all you're going to do is you take out the strap, and once it's done, you can hook that in back. So to the back side, make sure that you close this firm using the cutting plier, and this is how it looks. So if you're making this in a black color bra, make sure you buy a black color strap. So for the video purpose, I just took a cream color so that you can know what I'm doing exactly. And don't forget to share this video, because this video would be really useful for the mothers who cannot afford a big money to buy these kind of bras, that's a feeding bra. So hope you share this video, and if you like this video and if you want more informative videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So see you next time with a different kind of video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.